Hello everyone, I am Pallavi Gupta. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning about one of the most important organ of our body, the human heart. By the end of the video, you will understand how heart looks, how it works, and why it is essential for life. So without wasting our time, let's begin. Now we are starting with the brief intro of heart. As you all familiar that heart is a muscular organ, that means it is made up of muscles. Its main job is to pump blood to all parts of the body. Heart is located in our chest cavity slightly towards the left. Without heart, life is not possible. Now, what is the size of the human heart? It is almost equal to the size of the closed fist. If you make a fist with your hand, that is roughly the size of your heart. The heart is made up of special type of muscles called cardiac muscles. These muscles are so strong that they do not get tired easily. That's why heart can work non-stop throughout the life. Now, what's the weight? It is around 250 to 350. Now, what are the main functions of the heart? As I already told you, the main job of the heart is to pump oxygen rich blood to all the parts of the body. Secondly, it sends oxygen poor blood, that is deoxygenated blood, to the lungs for purification. Third is it also helps to maintain the blood pressure. Fourth one is it carry waste products away. In this slide, we are talking about the chambers of the heart. As you all know, there are 4 chambers. The top 2 chambers are called atria and bottom 2 are called ventricle. The right atrium and the right ventricle deal with deoxygenated blood, which means blood without oxygen. The left atrium and left ventricle deal with oxygenated blood, which means blood with oxygen. These chambers work in a proper sequence to pump efficiently. Now we are talking about the valves of the heart. Inside heart there are small door-like structures called valves. They make sure that blood flows only in one direction and does not go backward. For example, we are talking about tricuspid valve that is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle. I am repeating, the valve that is present between right atrium and right ventricle is called tricuspid valve. And the bicuspid valve, that is also called mitral valve, is present between left atrium and left ventricle. Now there are some blood vessels that are associated with the heart. We will discuss one by one. First one is aorta, that is the largest artery in the body. It carries oxygenated blood to all the organs. Second one is pulmonary artery, that carries deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. Third one is pulmonary vein, that carries oxygenated blood from lungs back to the heart. And there are superior and inferior vena cava also that carry deoxygenated blood.